Samsonite's sustainability mission reaches new heights. Introducing PROXIS Circular, featuring Samsonite's first ever digital product passport, revealing the suitcase manufacturing journey. Used cooking oil is repurposed to create the suitcase shells, resulting in our first suitcase incorporating bio-circular materials, a true milestone in luggage circularity. Extremely light, exceptionally strong, now even more sustainable, reaching a total of 65% recycled materials, designed, developed and produced in Europe. Each suitcase holds a digital product passport. By scanning the QR code, you obtain a detailed and transparent overview of the product's life cycle and extend the life of your suitcase with easy self-repair solutions. Samsonite, innovate to move the world.